Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So today kita akan present case study for operating system. Saya Reza Farhan Amir Timur, right? 01 DIT 24F 1207.
Saya Yasar Bidul Marizan, 01 DIT 24F 1155.
Saya Nur Syazrina Izzati binti Muzaffar, nombor metik 01 DIT 24F 1146.
Saya Aurin Rafal Rostam, 01 DIT 24F 1147.
Now kita akan continue with the video.
So, untuk soalan pertama, mobile operating system. Dia ada dua soalan. A. Provide a brief overview of Android and Apple or iOS operating system. And B. Highlight the key difference between these operating systems in terms of user interface, features, and functionalities. Both Android and Apple iOS are dominant mobile operating systems. They power a vast majority of smartphones and tablets, each offering its unique strengths and appealing to a diverse user base. A. Overview. Dia ada dua, Android and iOS. Android, developed by Google, is an open source operating system. This openness allows manufacturers such as Samsung, Xiaomi, and Huawei to customize their device according to the needs and preference of users. Android offers significant flexibility to users, including the option to personalize the interface and use a variety of apps from a different source. This makes it a popular choice among users who want a more personalized experience. So for the iOS, on the other hand, iOS is Apple's proprietary operating system used exclusively on devices such as the iPhone and iPad. iOS is known for its user-friendly interface and smooth experience, especially for those who have invested in the Apple ecosystem. So Apple emphasizes security and privacy, as well as offering high-quality apps through the App Store. iOS users often appreciate the simplicity and efficient in using their device. So, perbezaan untuk Android dan iOS is user interface, features, and functionalities. So, Android user interface dia offers greater customization with widgets, launchers, and themes. It typically uses a button-based navigation system. So, untuk user interface iOS, presents a more streamlined and unified experience with a focus on simplicity and intuitive gestures. So, features for Android allow side loading of apps from source other than the Play Store, offer more multitask option and emphasize flexibility. So untuk iOS features pula, emphasize security and privacy as a tightly integrated ecosystem with other Apple services and offer strong app quality control. And for the functionalities, Android, more open to developers, allowing for more customization and experimentation. So untuk iOS pula, offers a smoother and more integrated experience across device with a focus on user-friendliness and performance.
Okay, so seterusnya ialah installing application and content. Question dia ialah explain the method of installing application and content on mobile device, differentiating between pull and push method. So bagi untuk pull method, ia adalah untuk user edited download where the user actively searches or download the application from and online. Contohnya Google Play Store untuk Android dan App Store untuk iOS. So the example atau contoh, the user open the App Store untuk cari apps seperti Zoom dan download it to their device. Okay, so untuk seterusnya ialah push method. Push method ni lebih kepada application are able to install onto user device by an administrator or through an enterprise management system. Lebih kepada jarak jauh lah. Untuk daripada perusahaan lain, untuk syarikat lain. Daripada syarikat lain untuk kita terima lah. So, contoh dia, a company is department may push a specific product activity onto all employee device for seamless access to work-related tools. Okay, so sekarang kita nak dekat slide. So untuk next soalan dia ialah provide step-by-step instruction for installing a sample application using both methods on each operating system. Okay, jadi untuk Android, kalau kita menggunakan pull method, kita kena buka dekat App Store dulu, tekan dekat gambar App Store tu, and then kita kena search, pergi kat level search dan tulis Scrabble, and then situ ada contoh apps, contoh Scrabble dan lain-lain seperti Instagram dan lain-lain. So lepas tu kita select the apps yang kita nak tu, and then kita install, tekan button install dan tunggu sampai dia siap. So dia akan jadi automatic, dia akan download terus. Dan bila dia download, kita betul-betul menggunakannya. So untuk push method pula, push method ni kita buka dekat Google Play Store, dekat Play Store dia, Play Store Android. Lepas tu kita pergi tekan dekat belah atas yang simbol tu. Ya, lepas tu pergi tekan setting. Lepas tu tekan auto update apps. Lepas tu kita akan pilih antara over my network or over Wi-Fi only. Lepas tu, bila kita dah pilih antara over Wi-Fi only atau over my network, over any network, dia akan update dengan sendiri. Apps tu akan automatic dia di-download. So, the notification dia sudah di-update atau dah install, dia akan keluar. So, let's say ialah iOS. iOS. Okay, so kita tengok dekat pemetode dulu. Okay, pemetode ni mula-mula kita kena layari dekat App Store dan tekan search, tulis Telegram atau apps yang kita nak. Tekan, lepas tu kita bila dah keluar tu dia akan keluar apa yang apps yang kita nak. Lepas tu kita pergi tekan dekat apps yang kita nak tu, and then kita pergi tekan get, atau sekiranya sudah pernah download, tekan je install. Dan dia automatik dia akan keluar user face ID, Touch ID, your Apple ID, password untuk pengguna yang tak pernah download apps tu. Jadi selepas dah tekan install tu, kita tunggu untuk download tu proses. So dia akan automatik download tu akan siap. So bila dah download, dia akan dipaparkan di App Store atau kita punya home screen. Okay, so untuk nextnya ialah push method. Push method ni kita kena buka daripada dekat App Store, pergi setting dan pergi ke dia punya App Store, and then kita pergi dekat apps update. Lepas tekan kat apps update tu dia automatic, kita kena onkan je, on tu untuk bagi dia apps tu update. So bila kita dah, contohlah bila kita dah install something, dia akan update dengan sendiri, dia akan download dengan sendiri. So based on your setting lah. So dia akan keluar notification untuk once the update is installed.
For question number 3, A. Identify and explain items on the Android home screen. Is the main interface and appear when you unlock your device. Here are the key items typically found on the Android home screen. Okay, first, status bar. Okay, located at the top, it shows information like the time, battery level, Wi-Fi, circular network signal, and any active notification. Okay, second, navigation bar. Often at the bottom of the screen or via gesture, it provides navigation controls such as home button, return you to the home screen, back button takes you back to the previous screen, recent apps button, open a list of recently used apps. Okay. Dock a session at the bottom above the navigation bar that holds a fixed set of app icons. This area remains the same regardless of which home screen page you are on and usually holds essential apps like phones, message, browser. 4. Widgets. Small interactive window that display real-time information such as weather, time, calendar, or news. Widgets can often be customized in size and location. Next, folder icons. Group apps can be organized in folders which are synchronized a collection that, when tapped, expand to show all the apps inside. And finally, apps icons. Shortcuts to your favorite or frequently used application. Tapping an app icon launches the corresponding apps. Question 3b. Okay, tutorial for staff or managing apps, widgets, and folders and on Android device. Okay. Uninstall an apps. First, press and hold the app icon on the home screen or in the app drawer. Okay. Next, tap uninstall if available in the pop-up menu or drag the icon to the uninstall option at the top. Okay. Finally, confirm by tapping OK. Creating a folder. First, on the home screen, drag on apps icon over another apps icon until a folder is created. Okay. Then, release the apps and the folder will open automatically. Lastly, you can add more apps by dragging them into this folder. Placing an apps on the home screen. First, open the apps drawer, swipe right from the button or tap apps drawer icon. Find the apps you want to place on the home screen. Then, press and hold the apps icon until the home screen appears. Last, drag the apps icon to your desired spot on the home screen and release. Adding a widget. Press and hold an empty area on the home screen until option appear wallpaper widget setting. Next, tap on widgets. And then scroll through the available widget and press and hold the one you want to add. Last, drag it to the desired spot on the home screen and release it. Lastly, deleting a folder. First, you should drag all apps out of the folder until it's empty. And then the folder will automatically disappear. That's all for me.
For me, my question for it is managing the apps, iOS apps, and then identify and explain items on the iOS home screen. For my iOS home screen, first we have control center. Control center is the where you can swipe up from the left, the right corner, and then you guys can see like all the Wi-Fi, all the volume, all the flashlight. You can see from there, and then Next, we have widgets. Widgets are interactive element that displays real-time information. Like you guys can have weather, calendar, events, and reminders. You can add widgets to their home screen, and you can adjust your own widget size. So they can also access a widget gallery to explore and add different widgets. And then we have status bar. Status bar is on top of your phone that we get where you have Wi-Fi, your battery, and your line, and your own phone. And then next, for the next page, we have dock. Dock is where you have like your most used apps. Like as for me personally, I have gallery, messages, Safari, and calendar. You can place up to 4 apps here for easy access, and all of these apps are visible across the home screen. And then we have the folder. Folder is where you guys can connect all of your like connected apps to one folder so that you can access it easier. And then we have the app library. App library is introduced in iOS 14. It was found by swiping all the way to the right on the apps into categories like automatically, making it easier to find apps without cluttering your home screen. Apps can be hidden from the home screen and only stored in the app library. Like if you don't want your apps to like visible on your home screen, you can just leave it on your app library. Okay. Now I'm going to show you guys a tutorial on how to manage your apps. So firstly, you're going to go all the way right to your app library and then look at the app that you wish to add by browsing the categories or using the search bar. Or like me right now, I'm just looking for the right, and I'm going to add Instagram. I will press and hold the app icon until the menu appears, and you need to select at home screen, and the app will appear like available on your home screen. Okay, and then the next we have organizing the apps on home screen. So firstly, you're gonna tap and hold your apps for a long time, and then until you begin to jiggle like, and then you can move around and you can move it and you can add it to folder. Like you can just put your apps to the another app so that it can automatically pull a folder, and you can change the folder name like with suggested name, or you can change it to your liking. Like for me right now, I only this calculator and Instagram. I only photo video. And then we have the customizing widgets. So for my widgets, you guys just need to add the plus top. Like if you hold like the apps for a long time, and then it will appear like a plus sign, and then you will just click the button and then browse and search for the widget like the one that you want. Like choose a small. You guys can choose a small, medium, or large, and then tap add widget to place it on your home screen. And you can drag and widget to the desired your desired location and tap done if you're done with it. Oh yeah, for your widget, you guys can customize it to your liking. Like you guys can tap, press and hold the widget, and then the menu will appear. So you guys need to tap edit widget name. So you guys can edit the widget name, or you guys can adjust the setting, like select the location for my weather, or yeah, you do what you want. And then for my next agenda is I need to install the apps. This is very easy. Firstly, you guys only need to tap and hold the app icon until the menu appears, like right now, and then select the remove app, and you guys can delete the app or remove it from home screen. This is what I mean by like if you remove from the home screen, it will still be available at the app library, but you guys will just not see it on your home screen. But if you guys delete the app, you guys will automatically delete both your apps and your data. Okay. Okay, but another way to uninstall your app is by using your iPhone settings. So firstly, you need to open your settings app, and then you need to go to general. After going to general, you need to go to the iPhone storage. So this menu can show all of your installed apps and their storage use. So as of right now, you need to tap on the app that you want to uninstall. Like, okay, after that, you can see 2 options. First option is offload app. Offload app means that this remove the app, but it can retain its data, means that you can reinstall it later without having your data lost, or you can delete the app. Like as I said just now, delete the app can remove the apps and all of this data. So it's up to you how you want to delete your apps. To conclude the video, as we have provided all of the comprehensive guide on understanding and utilizing mobile operating system, specifically for Android and iOS, to enhance our productivity and communication within our community center. This is how we can familiarize our staff with essential concepts such as navigating the operating system, installing and managing application, customizing the device interface. They can more confidently and efficiently use their mobile device. Our goal is to empower each team member, regardless of their technical background, to manage their device with ease, solve common issues independently, and leverage these tools to improve daily operations. Thank you for your attention, and let's embrace this new skill to foster a more connected and efficient workplace. And that's all for this video. Bye!